Hello everyone. Today at the Real Deal Kitchen you are going to learn how to make fluffy white rice. That's right, fluffy white rice. Okay, so that fluffy white rice is about 2.5 cups of white rice. I'm going to show you how to wash it properly in cold water. Get that starch out of your rice. Very easy. So you want to make sure the water is halfway above the rice, and you're going to cook this rice for 30 minutes. Look, 30 minutes, the water is halfway above the rice. You know, it's best to have less water because you can always sprinkle over, or when you turn the stove down on the lowest, it will steam your rice. You don't want to have too much water, make your rice saggy. So guys, now your rice is on the stove. You want to make sure it is leavened. It is on the right level. The water is halfway above the rice. Spicy up that white rice. Put some fresh thyme in there. Yeah. Sprinkle a little salt in your water. A little bit. Put a little olive oil in your water. Make that rice look nice and smooth. Okay, so you're gonna let this cook for half an hour. Remember, when the water is dried out, you're gonna turn the stove down on the lowest to get it to steam, so it looks fluffy. Look at this rice. Half an hour, 2.5 cups of rice. 2.5 cups of rice. This is a cup. Okay. And just remember, as long as you have the water halfway above the rice, not even fully halfway, but as you can see, the water is above the rice. Okay. Look at that rice boiling up in the water. Look at it. And look at that fresh thyme. Let's see that fresh thyme in the water. Look at it. So just so you know, guys, when you stir in your rice, you want to use a fork. And the reason for that, you don't want your rice to come out saggy, clummy, sticky. So the fork is the best tool, best utensils to stir your rice. Anytime you cook your rice, you want to use a fork. It separates the rice. When you use a spoon, it makes it crummy. You want good rice, stir with a fork. So guys, you see the water is dried out of the rice, so now you want to turn the stove down on the lowest to let that rice steam for 15 minutes. It will come out fluffy. For those of you who like your rice to be fluffy, if you don't like it to be fluffy, let it on the steam for 5 minutes, then it's ready to eat. Look at this white fluffy rice. Look how nice and fluffy the rice is. You can have this white rice with anything. So go ahead and check out all the other dishes and see what you want to have your white rice with. Just remember, only at the Real Deal Kitchen you can get these nice exotic Jamaican dishes. Subscribe for more upcoming exotic dishes. Subscribe to the channel. Set that alarm bell so this way when a new video upload, you definitely see what's on the menu. Add this nice fluffy white rice to your kitchen, your dinner table.